All right, so we left off in the last video where Joe was pulling some carpet up. We've pulled all the carpet up. We've repaired the 2 corners. Now that one's underneath a floor that had water damage. So we're gonna give the walls a good wipe down. Picked out this vinyl. Never thought we could match, so we went with contrasting colors. And then the couch is toast. Might have just caught Guest on it because now he thinks it's a backyard couch. So we have an IKEA trip planned to look at the couch. We still have the dinette in case we find something this size, or maybe we'll go with an alternative table option too. That's the plan. There's out with the old. We're camping here at Camp Margaritaville. So we came with a big group. We have Scott and Jan, and then we have our camping friends, Wanda and Denver, and some dance friends, the Kerrs and the Hirsches. So it's been a good time to hang out together and enjoy this little tropical oasis for our spring break trip. We laid the vinyl floors. We got this fold-up table and stools, table from Amazon, stools from IKEA. We got the couch from IKEA and the ottoman from Big Lots. We camped last weekend and Gaston chewed the vinyl, so we'll have to redo that. We don't love this table because the ottoman, when we pull it out, doesn't quite fit here where we thought would be seating. So we're looking into doing a floating table instead. So I might have a part 2 of renovation. Pool games going on for the kids today. Got the corner we've claimed for the weekend. So here's our site at Margaritaville. Showed you this in our Cabana Club video in the past. So the sites are still the same. Got your paver patio, your AstroTurf for the pups. Say hi, pups. Little grill. We rented a golf cart this time, so they had the golf cart actually parked at our site waiting for us. And we did the concrete premium pull through, and so they just parked the golf cart up there. So we had it when we arrived.
So 11 to 3 Top Dog food truck, 12 to 9 happy hour from 5 to 6 p.m., 1 to 6 Tony's Italian Ice, 1 o'clock kids putting tournament, so that's golf, 3 o'clock kids bingo on the lookout deck. Get out. Stop!
Payne has 1. Dawson has taken 3rd. They're into the goggle ball.
Shit, whoa! That's
just one, huh?
6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, Street Fusion food truck. 7 to 10 o'clock, entertainment and family fun with DJ Bo, foam party with DJ Bo at 8 o'clock.
All right, we're heading to the foam party. Let's see what it is.